Hello guys, this is Radhika Rawat and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Radhika. I hope you are doing well and I am also doing great. So yes, today we have come again to have some questions in front of you. So I will ask some questions to my daughter and she will give me right answer. So are you ready, Aradhya Rawat?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so I just want to know that what is your big concern in your life?
My big concern in my life is my height.
Okay. Why?
Because I have a very short height. See, my friends have 160 centimeter to 165 centimeter height, and I have 145 centimeter height.
Okay.
So all my friends are very tall, but I am the only one that I have short height.
Okay.
So I want my height more taller.
Okay. So what kind of efforts are you putting?
Yes, I play basketball. I go to basketball academy. But yeah, I have seen the change only 1 centimeter.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, so I think yeah, it will take time.
Yeah, it will take time, and I think 1 centimeter it is not good enough. Yes. Okay. So it is your big concern.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I think it's been 2 months when you joined, academy,
Yeah,
basketball
2 months.
academy.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been 2 months.
Three
Yeah,
months.
yeah, before 2 months ago. And when your half yearly exams started, then you
I
just
joined in my summer
left.
vacations.
Yes, 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 yes. So are you ready for joining again this
Yes.
academy? Okay, okay. So what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sports first is basketball,
Mm-hmm.
and second one is table tennis.
Okay, table tennis. Okay. So why basketball? Because you have short height?
Yes.
Okay.
But I also take interest in that. It is very like comfortable to play, and it feels like good. And
Okay.
yes, but if the ball doesn't go in the basket, I feel very disappointed.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes, situation becomes very pathetic.
Yes.
Yes. And so it is good you are interested in sports. Okay. Because studies and as well as sports are very important, very crucial in our life. Okay. So yes, my second question is this that you go have gotten less marks half
Yes.
yearly examination. Okay.
Yes.
And I'm very disappointed as a mother. Okay. And I think you must also you must have okay, disappointed. So what kind of reaction I should give you?
No, you shouldn't give any reaction.
Okay.
Actually,
Uh-huh.
when you give your reaction, I feel very disappointed. Okay, so yeah, I will do much hard work.
But no,
this
no.
time.
Now you are making stories. Every time you are just cooking stories that tomorrow onwards and today onwards I will just put lot of hard work. Okay, but
No, because of I think basketball also it is very
no, 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 no. Many children actually, I think numbers of children are playing games as well as they are good at studies. Okay, so you don't want to. I think you should not want to say that yes, this is a big concern. Okay, so I
But
think
yeah, this time I have to get like good percentage in annual, so I will like do hard
okay.
work.
So yeah, has your enthusiasm fizzled out or not?
No, my enthusiasm is not fizzled out.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I am very disappointed with me, and
Yes.
yes, so I will do hard work to
Yes.
to show some my friends that yeah, I am not so bad at studies. I'm good. Means the topper around.
Yeah.
My friends doesn't say anything about me, my marks, because they also get the same marks as me.
Okay.
So yes.
But I think you are meant for something different. Okay,
Yes.
you have to do something in your life. Okay, so that's why. Okay. So your big brother, your elder brother, now he is pursuing BTech. So it is the last year. It is
Yes.
the last semester is going on. And so what do you want from your brother if he gets a very good job opportunity?
Yeah, actually, from many years.
Couple of years,
Yes,
yes.
from couple of years, he is not giving me any Raksha Bandhan gift. Literally not, because my mother and father also don't give them money.
Oh my God.
Give him money. They
Okay.
give him money, but
Mm.
for his purpose.
Yes.
And if I say that, can you give me only 150 rupees?
Mhm.
He said no. No, I will not give.
Okay.
If mother will also give me, I will not give you because it's mine.
Okay.
So I will take 10,000 rupees from him.
Okay.
Yes, because
Huh.
many years he is not giving me something.
But if he will get, just 50 to 60,000 rupees, then what will you do?
5,000.
Oh my God. Okay, so it's a deal, square deal.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, okay. So now my last question is that are you happy with my journey? Like I have started this language.
Yeah, I
You know.
am very happy with your journey because
Mhm.
you earlier you stay depressed, means not depressed, but you feel like what should I do?
Yeah. Yeah.
You were like,
And I started
yeah,
tuition classes also.
but because of your migraine problem,
Mhm.
you
Just
ended
left.
it. You quitted.
Yeah.
You quitted,
Hmm.
and but because giving the time to the children who are very like naughty,
Average students.
average
Yeah.
and naughty, so your brain will yes
Migraine
your
problem, yeah,
migraine
on the
problem
rise
will,
sometimes.
yes,
Yes, and the situation becomes very pathetic.
yes,
Yeah, so I just stopped it.
yeah,
And
and because of that also that if our neighbors
no, 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 no,
no,
no, you
nothing,
cannot.
no, not a means they talk. So my mother, if my mother will talk, she will like just do.
Yeah, actually all neighbors are very, very good actually. And
Yes, all neighbors are very good.
yeah, they appreciate me a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so sometimes it is very essential and very necessary, I think, to change your life. Okay, because I was since childhood, I want to become very proficient in this language, so I just choose this field, and really I'm doing great, and I'm enjoying my journey.
Yes,
Okay,
my
friends.
mother is enjoying her journey.
Yes.
And
And if you are eagerly want to learn this language and desperately you just want to learn this language, so definitely, if you are homemaker, if you are working person, and you are facing some kind of consequences, and just like this promotion problem, and your kids are just going to English medium school, and you are not able to get your words across. Okay, so you are unable to speak with them, so definitely just little efforts, okay, you can start, and you can see significant progress in yourself. So,
not only like learning this language, but learning any skill.
yeah,
You need hard work.
you need to hard work with dedication. Okay, if you perseverance, so definitely you will do good in your life, and you will see drastic changes in your life. So yes, it was our last question, and really I hope that you will like our this collaboration video, and definitely I will just invite all people, means my good friends and YouTubers also, I will invite them in my to my YouTube channel, so you will enjoy. Okay, if you like my video and just love my video, so definitely please, I request you to please just share it and subscribe my channel and love my channel. Okay, give love, more and more love my channel,
and comment also.
thank you so much.
Bye.